Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to fix a common issue you may be having on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer when you're attempting to run a backup process or a backup application on your Windows device to go back to a previous point in time. And it says that the Windows backup application could not start due to an internal error. Server execution failed. 0x80080005. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to resolve the issue and get you guys back up and running. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in CMD, best match, should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. Go ahead and copy and paste the first command I'm going to have in the description of my video. It's going to be net stop sdrsvc. So we're going to go ahead and just paste that into the command prompt here. You can also type it out as well. It's not that long of a command here. So once you've done that, then we're going to go ahead and paste in the second command in the description of my video, net start sdrsvc, and then hit enter. Give us a moment here to start up the service, and it should come back with that the Windows backup service was started successfully. At this point, go ahead and proceed to try and run the Windows backup utility, and you should be good to go. So, as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.